Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a page in WordPress that was built with Elementor. Start by logging in to your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type Duplicate Page. When the results appear, look for the plugin called Duplicate Page. Click Install. Then click Activate. Now go to the Pages section and click All Pages. You'll see a list of your website's pages. Find the page you want to copy. Hover your mouse over the page title. You'll see a new option that says Duplicate This. Click on it. This creates a copy of your page and saves it as a draft. The new page will have the same design and content as the original, including all Elementor elements. If you want, you can click Edit to change the page title or make other updates. When you're done, click Publish to make the page live. If the duplicate option doesn't show, go to Settings, then Duplicate Page. Make sure pages are enabled under Post Types. Click Save Changes. Now you're ready to duplicate any Elementor page anytime you need to. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.